strike it together.
Mint orange. Isaac and Grandma nasty. Here, Isaac. No. Now.
I went up my nose.
Oh. Now you put them in the
How many you putting in there, Nate?
half a pack. You gotta do it fast, Isaac.
Ah!
Put some more in there. Can you reach it? Oh, it won't work.
You gotta put them all in at one time.
Oh, shake it out.
Shake it out.
Wait.
Oh, that's a good one. Wow.
Wait. That's not how it goes, babe. Stop.
Isaac.
Stop.
That's mommy science.
He's not getting the full effect because he's not doing it right.
Now can I put it in?
Scoot over.
Oh, it still can come up some more.
Wait, Isaac. Sweetheart.
Oh, that's a good one. Try to catch it when it comes up in the air, Isaac.
Okay,
Mine
yes.
went up in my nose.
Here, see if you can put some more in there. Do some more, see if it'll work. I think we got it all. No. Put all of them in there. I think it's gonna work. No, it's doing something,
like
but
it.
not a lot.
What about the fruit punch? Did you try that one, Isaac? Look at you, little boy. You're making a mess now.